So you think you're safe? For years, he gave everything to this company. He was the first one there and the last to leave the office. He worked overtime, skipping family dinners and events. He was the most loyal out of them all. And in an instant, "I'm sorry, we have made the difficult decision." Gone, no warning, just a cold goodbye. He trusted the system, and it failed him. The truth is, job security is an illusion. You've seen the news. It's everywhere. Let's figure out why this is happening. It's the 1950s. World War II has finished. The soldiers have returned home. The economy is roaring. Let's visit the Ford plant. Meet Bob. He joined Ford at 22 after the war and worked there. He got a paycheck, earning enough to support his family. He got benefits, career advancements, and had no fears of being laid off. He would eventually get a nice pension and buy a house in the hills. Workers like Bob would often spend their entire career working for one company, and his loyalty was rewarded.
What an amazing time.
It's the 1980s. Meet Billy, fresh out of college, briefcase in hand. He steps into a shiny office lobby for his first job interview. "I'll have a job in no time," but something feels off. As Billy waits, he overhears a conversation. 200 jobs gone overnight. It's all about efficiency now. They're replacing entire teams with computers. Billy shifts nervously in his seat. He gets hired and works for many years, but soon faces the fate that he so desperately thought would never happen. The 1980s was the beginning of globalization. The United States and other Western countries offshore and downsize workforces. Furthermore, the introduction of personal computers made many manual tasks automated, leading to even more layoffs. This meant your once stable job that you were so loyal and spent all those long hours for was now at risk of evaporating into thin air. And now it's happening again. So your worries about the job security will not be solved by escaping the matrix, starting dropshipping, or dropping out of school because you watched one Sigma video. But before we talk about the future of work, you need to understand the enemy. What does your mind love? Okay, if I tell you to wake up tomorrow at 6 a.m. and go for a run, would you do it?
Actually, yes, I can.
Shut up. No, you won't. You like staying in your warm bed. Your mind loves consistency and stability. All of you are stranded on an island and there is a storm coming. You either figure out how to build a boat and leave, or you die. You need to think, how do I adapt? Here's a challenge. Connect these 9 dots with only 4 straight lines. Try it. Nope, that won't work. The only way? You have to go outside the box. Identify problems around you and find solutions. Maybe you can streamline a process at work or suggest a new way to improve customer service. Don't wait for someone to tell you what to do. Take initiative. Start a side project, whether it's launching a blog, learning a new skill like project management, or even experimenting with new marketing strategies. And most importantly, network. Attend industry events, engage on LinkedIn, or start conversations with people in your field. Connections are just as important as skills and opening doors. Job security isn't about staying in one place. It's about being adaptable. Keep learning, be open to new opportunities, and don't be afraid to pivot if it means growth. The future is about innovation. Be the person who brings it, not the one who's left behind.